An Indian meal is incomplete without dal or lentil, and it could range from boring to really exciting, where how you temper it is become a decisive factor. Today's recipe is split chickpea and bottle gourd, which is also called Ghiya Chane KI Dal in Hindi. This Punjabi style, healthy and delicious curry is simply irresistible. In a pressure cooker, add soaked Bengal gram or Chana dal. Soak the dal for at least an hour before making it. Add turmeric and salt into it. Water ratio should be 1:3, which means 1 part of dal and 3 part of water. Then add peeled, medium diced bottle gourd and give it a stir. Once done, close the lid and cook it for 3 whistles on medium flame. Once it's cooked, allow all the steam to escape from the pressure cooker. Then open the lid and give it a stir. Keep it aside till the time we make our tadka. Heat up a oil in a kadhai or a pan. Once it's hot, add 1 piece of cinnamon stick, black cardamom, bay leaf, and dried red chilli, followed by Asafoetida or hing, cumin seeds. Once it starts spluttering, add chopped green chillies, chopped garlic, and ginger. Saute it up for about 40 seconds. Then add chopped onion and saute them for about 3 to 4 minutes or until it turns pinkish in color. Then add about 2 spoons of water. This step ensures even cooking and moreover it brings all flavors together. Cook it until almost all the water evaporates. Then add salt, turmeric, coriander powder, red chili powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, and mix it well. Now add another a tablespoon of water and let it cook for about 20 seconds. Then add ground tomato into it. Mix it well. Cover it with a lid and let it cook on a medium flame for about 10 minutes or until its oil starts separating from masala. Then add cooked lentil into it. Stir it. Add water to adjust consistency. Simmer it for another 10 minutes. Then turn off the heat. Add garam masala, roasted kasuri methi or dried fenugreek leaves, and half of a fresh lemon. Mix it. Time to make a second tempering. In a small pan, heat up a clarified butter or ghee. Once it is hot, add asafoetida, cumin seeds, and a little bit of sliced onion and fry it for about a minute. Once it starts turning golden brown in color, turn off the heat. Now add red chili powder and mix it quickly. Pour it on top of the curry. Garnish it with green chillies, chopped cilantro, and few julienne ginger. Enjoy it with hot naan, bread, roti, fulka or chapati. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Please let me know in comment section how do you find this recipe. We'll see you soon in next video. Till then, keep learning and help others to learn. Bye bye, take care.